Hey, good morning, folks. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. I started to type my little blurb, I said warm up coming. And then what I was going to say was, but I hate to tell you, I don't think we're done with snow totally just yet. But then I decided, no, I'm going to leave it at that in the blurb. But then I just ruined it, didn't I? All right, let's get to it. Good morning, Thomas Fick. Let's see what's going on here. Main thing is wind, which doesn't show up on the radar, but strong winds today, gusting up over 30 miles an hour. Here in Frankenmuth, about an hour ago, we had about a 40-mile-an-hour wind rip through the area. And, of course, when's the windiest day of the week? Garbage and recycle day, of course, so it goes flying. So right now we have had some snow showers in northern lower Michigan. They're reporting some slick roads. Hey, good morning, Kristen Harcourt from Canton and Sandra Cadado. Andrew Charlton, thanks for joining us. Hit the share button if you can. I'll go into the weekend and the warm-up. So today is a dry day, and we're going to see quite a bit of sunshine across southern lower Michigan. Here's the current radar forecast. We go into, kite day, definitely for sure. Hold on to your small dogs. Let's see here. So this is the radar forecast, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11, noon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So dry day today. Good morning, Port Huron and CC Mellendorf. I'm pretty good at some of these names. Hey, Kalamazoo. Kazu. This evening, dry. And as we go to the overnight hours, midnight, then we're looking at the showers starting to develop in the southeast or southwest corner of the state, I should say. Here's a model that goes a little bit further on that. So we get up to overnight tonight. And let's go to Michelle Schultz. What does Ann Arbor look like on Saturday? Looks fantastic. I'll show you that to you in just a second. All right, let's go to the Tigers home opener right here, 1 o'clock. Boy, awfully close. Good morning, Lansing. Awfully close. I would prepare for a shower, but the deal that you can't see here, hey, good morning, Jessica Shepard. The deal you can't see here is an east-northeast wind, which is a dry wind. Will eat away at some of this. So although the computer model forecasts what you would think to be rain, there could be some evaporation of that, and it might be the case where it just stays dry and cloudy, and you see the wispy rain coming down. That's what we call virga. It's evaporating before it hits the ground. But I'd still prepare for a rain shower. When does the wind calm down? We're looking at probably not until late today. It's going to stay relatively windy. Hey, good morning, Bill Hobart and Sterling Heights. I like that. City? Town? Village? I don't know what it is. Okay, so there we are Thursday, and then we go into Thursday night and Friday. The precipitation moving northward, that's a sign of warmer temperatures. This is a warm front right here coming through, and that will start to warm us up. But this is also freezing rain and then snow across the UP Thursday night into Friday. Let me know when it's warm so you can finally come home and visit family. Well, we're going to get into the negative parts of it now here, okay? Like I told you, I don't think that the snow is totally done. Well, here's the weekend. Here's Saturday. Folks are asking about Saturday. This is a good pattern. We're getting into southerly flow, but you don't see a lot of the squiggly lines like out in here. That means not much wind on Saturday. Sunday, we're still into that southerly flow, storm developing off to the west. The wind picks up, the clouds move in, but it's more of a spring humidity type deal. That's Sunday morning. And by Sunday afternoon, rain showers could overspread the area. Hey, good morning, Colleen McClellan from WTCM. So that's Sunday. What I like right after that is that there isn't a lot of cold air behind it. But as I said, both the American model, which I'm showing you, and the European have a storm system to our south late next week. The European is a little closer, a little stronger, and puts snow across the area. So pretty far out, but when two models show it, you have to think that it's an idea. Just in Canada, how will the weather be like the rest of this week, next week in Jackson? Well, you're going to have the warmer temperatures as we go into the weekend and early next week, and then you'll have to watch for that storm system too. We'll be driving home from Destin, Florida, I'm assuming Saturday, Sunday. We'll be driving. Okay, let's see. Saturday, Sunday, Florida. Let's go to that. Okay, here's Saturday afternoon. That looks good. And here's Sunday. And you would eventually run into showers and thunderstorms to the south, but no problems. Traveling from Saginaw to New York City, no problems next Friday. That's a little far out, Eric. Ask me early next week, okay? Hello, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. All right, now let's take a look at the temperatures. Highs today in the 50s. Weather for Holland, 12 to 6 p.m. Should be dry, but it will be windy, and you'll probably have temperatures in Holland around 50-ish, but feeling colder than that because of the wind off of the water. Okay, here's tomorrow. It's a little cooler, mid-40s we'll call it, southern lower. Friday, add on a little bit, low 50s, pretty nice day. Saturday, whoa, that looks like a masterpiece, doesn't it? Temperatures low 60s, upper 50s in the north. UP, you're in flirting with the 50s. Good morning, Anita Grimm. Yes, windy here in Clio. Now we're at Sunday, and we're into the 60s, mid-60s. Monday also low 60s, and then it starts to go downhill after that, so we'll look at that. So you have the wind today to contend with, but you get sunshine. I guess the wind is probably going to make it feel colder than it actually is. And then tomorrow we start to get the rain showers come into the area, into southern lower, into tomorrow night. Then the weather improves dramatically for the weekend, and we can have some fun. All right. Hey, Joe Mueller, you have yourself a super Wednesday also, and everybody have a super Wednesday. Thanks for joining me on the MLive Morning Weather Update. Thanks for all the good questions and comments, and we will talk to you again tomorrow.